Welcome everyone. This is the second of several guides dealing with Multi-Foundation and Tools Release 9231. As you probably heard, Tools Release 9231 brings a lot of new changes to the JDE system. It has two flavors, 32-bit and 64-bit. The purpose of Multi-Foundation on Linux is that you want to be able to test how the new changes interact with your existing system. Therefore, first you apply the new tools release to your DB path code and test your third-party tools, your custom programs, and all the processes to ensure your system is working properly. Then you have to plan for PY, record how long it takes to apply the tools release upgrade to PY, and use that timing to plan for your PD. This is how the tools release upgrades find their way to the production path code. As you see, the web server and database server are already 64-bit, but the enterprise server and deployment server are still 32-bit. With 9231, you have the option to stay 32-bit or you can move to 64-bit. If you want to take advantage of 9231 right away, you can move to 32-bit, then take the time to further analyze your system before moving to 64-bit. Once you're ready for the 64-bit, then you can use our next guide, 923.x 64-bit tools release upgrade Unix. So we're going to have two foundations on the enterprise and deployment server. For DV, we're going to upgrade our tools release from 9222 to 9231, listening on port 6117. The other foundation will be PY and PD, which will remain listening on port 6017 for tools release 9222. After the TR upgrade, if you sign in from the web server to DB, it will be on port 6117. If from PY or PD, it will be to port 6017, but still on TR 92222. Therefore, without affecting your production, you can test all your customizations, all your third-party apps, everything. That's the beauty of multi-foundation. Once you're satisfied with DB, it tests properly, then you do the TR upgrade for PY and eventually PD. 9231 Tools Release is based on Microsoft Visual Studio 2017 RTLs, so the guide shows you how to install this also. This RTL is mandatory. Without it, you'll face many issues. Looking at the main sections of the Unix guide, we see Server Manager Console, where we download the Server Manager Tools Release and upgrade the Server Manager Tools Release. Working with the Enterprise Server, which has a lot of items specific to Unix, such as create an OS user, install a Server Manager agent on a Linux machine, register the Enterprise Server with the Server Manager Console. We have to update a lot of files, download Enterprise Server Tools Release, and then we have to upgrade the Tools Release. Here's a small section of the guide showing how to copy some scripts from the existing foundation to the new foundation folder E920MF. We show you the exact scripts and syntax for each step with screenshots and explanations of what has to be done. Here we've added the add account sh file, which came with the installation, which we have modified to create a new user for your new foundation. So we created this new user which will open the new foundation we have created. All the services will be started from this user. How to do all these things are clearly explained in this guide. We have similar explanations about deployment server upgrade, the HTML server upgrade, then required components, and finally the package build activities. This guide is available now for sale and sells for $299 USD and includes 3 service calls of up to 1 hour each. To order the guide, email us at info@restfulclouds.com. That's all for now. Bye bye.